start off by talking about this notion that that theater is everywhere, and that's coincidentally what the title of the first chapter is. Theater is everywhere. As it turns out, today in our modern time, even though we have so many different mediated ways of streaming things and filming things, and we've got entertainment everywhere, we also have probably the most theater available to us ever in our history. And not only just theater everywhere in different levels and different forms, but also different kinds of theater. And it's a beautiful thing. We've got a wide diversity of offerings. And so you can see theaters that specialize in Shakespeare or theaters that specialize in the African American experience or in the LGBTQIA experience. So it's really great. The other nice thing is that, especially in San Diego, we have a lot of theater available here. It's a great theater town. We have everything from college productions all the way up through Tony Award-winning quality world-class theater in the Old Globe and La Jolla Playhouse right here at our disposal. So I just want you to be aware of that this is a great theater town, and if you haven't done so, take advantage of the fact that we've got great theater all over the place. Hopefully you'll be inspired by that. Um, I wanted to start off with this idea that talking about theater being everywhere. Theater is everywhere, and really it's all about the elements of theater being everywhere. And it occurred to me as I was driving down the street that I looked over and there was a guy twirling a sign on the street corner, and I thought, oh well, that's theatrical. And then not far away from him was a mascot for Chick-fil-A, and this person's dancing around trying to get us to come to their restaurant. There is theater everywhere, and when you think about it, even things like someone playing an instrument on the sidewalk for change, or going to an amusement park where there's a fantasy kind of a setting, and characters that are either dressed up as face characters or they're in full costume in kind of like mascots. There are also other kinds of theater that we encounter on a day-to-day basis. There's lots of role playing in video games, for example. Both the personal perspective video game where you're going through, or maybe even something like World of Warcraft, for example. Sometimes we even find aspects of theater even in the words that we use and the phrases that we use. If you've ever used or uttered the phrase "it's a wild goose chase" or "the green-eyed monster," or if you've ever told a knock-knock joke, these were actually phrases that were coined by William Shakespeare. So whether you know it or not, you're actually speaking Shakespeare. If you've ever said, "I won't budge an inch," that's Shakespeare, for example. So that theater is all around us as well. The Simpsons actually is something that is part of our popular culture, and the stock characters from it actually come from Commedia dell'arte, which is a theater form which started in Italy in the 16th century. So there's lots of great examples that are around. Theater is also full of rituals, and when you think about something like at the end of a play, the audience applauds, or that there's an intermission, or when you enter the theater, there might be music that's playing that will help you to get into the mood. That's also something that is that might go along with things that we're used to when we attend the theater. Here at the college, at the end of the year, because it's a rite of passage, we have graduation, and when we do so, we don gowns and mortarboard caps, and it's the one time of the year that we do this because it's part of this rite of passage. And once the students have graduated, they all throw their caps in the air. It's just something that we do, and these rituals are important, and they're an essential part of our lives to kind of help us track these important moments and the transitions between these moments. In chapter 2, entitled "The Audience," you're going to come across something that's an important aspect of live theater, and that is the audience, the symbiotic relationship between the audience and the performers. It's so essential. It can't you can't have live theater without it. And if you think that the audience doesn't have an impact on the performers, you're wrong. As a an actor, I've had that experience where someone getting up and walking out of the theater during a sensitive scene or a telephone going off, it does impact the actors. There are times when, especially if it's a comedy, the laughter really inspires the actors and urges them on to do even better. If it's a serious play, the actors can usually get a feel from the audience and get a sense, a vibe that the audience is really with them. If the audience is moved, you might hear some sniffles in the audience. You might hear just silence, and then at the end of the play, usually it's accompanied with a standing ovation and thunderous applause. So that's how you can gauge whether the audience is really enjoying it or not. It's if you've been to a concert with your favorite rock group, there's something really special about this call and response, this give and take, this symbiotic relationship that the audience has with the performers. There's nothing better than having your favorite group come out onto stage and to feel like they're talking right to you. If they're not talking to you, then they're talking to you and all the people around you. And when they come out and they say, "Hello, San Diego," it makes you feel like they're talking right to you, and it makes you feel special. And usually, then the audience gives something back to the group, and usually it comes away feeling like it was a real give and take experience. So there are many aspects of theater throughout our lives on a day-to-day basis. So start to pay attention to them, and also really start to pay attention to the experience that you have as an audience member and how the collective whole has an impact on the performers themselves. All right, thanks so much, and enjoy this learning module.